Wagwan people, so today we're making a brine solution. A brine solution is basically just salt and water solution. This tenderizes the meat and locks in the moisture, making it more juicy when you roast it. And we're going to start with some water in a sufuria. Right here I have some thyme. Here I have some lemongrass, some oregano, some rosemary, and some peppermint, so fresh from the farm. And for the spices I have black pepper, some Royco cubes, Royco powder, and then sugar, salt, and some garlic cloves. That's all we need. Just going to put this together, put it in the water, bring it to a boil, cool it down, then put all our chicken in there. The time now is around 9 a.m. in the morning, and I'm going to brine the chicken for around 4-5 hours and roast it at around 3 to 4 p.m. Should be ready by then. By then it should be tender and moist and ready for roasting. So here we go. Just put them in. There's the thyme. There's the lemongrass, the oregano, rosemary, mint, whole garlic cloves, some black pepper, some Royco powder, just a bit, one Royco cube, and then it takes a lot of salt. This is what will tenderize the meat. A lot of salt and some sugar. That's about it. The reason we're boiling, just to make sure all the salt and the sugar is dissolved and we extract all the flavor from the spices and herbs. That should be it. Now we're going to bring this to a boil and then we let it cool down. All right, now it's fully cooled down. You can see the water has changed color because of all the spices. All the salt has dissolved in. Now we're going to put our chicken inside. You have to make sure it's covered for all the best results. If it's not fully covered, you can add some water, because the brine is very conk. Just add some cold water in there to cover all the chicken, just like that. Now we're going to cover this and let it sit until we are ready to roast. Just that. That's ready.